Hey, guess what? I've got a super cool method that can make you some serious cash, and it's as easy as using Google Translate. Seriously, you can rake in $10, $12, $25, or even $50 every 15 minutes. And the best part? It's totally free, and it works no matter where you are in the world. Plus, the website we'll be using pays out daily, so you can start making money today and cash out tomorrow. The minimum payout threshold is just $1. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. First things first, head over to Google and search for Google Translate. This nifty tool is your ticket to earning that sweet moolah. In just 15 minutes, you could be $10 to $50 richer. Imagine that! All you have to do is type something in the box and have it translated into any language you fancy. Now open up a new tab and visit cpagrip.com. Click on the register button and fill in all the required deets. When they ask you for your publisher type, go with GPT or website/incent to increase your chances of getting approved. And if they ask you where you heard about them, just say you found them on YouTube. Once you're logged into your CPA Grip account, take a peek at your dashboard. Look at all those figures! People are earning over $250,000 on this platform, so you know it's legit. Head on over to the Payment Center to see your earnings, both paid and pending. CPA Grip is just one piece of the puzzle, but it's an important one. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, let's check out the Offer Tools section on CPA Grip. Pick a CPA offer from European countries where English isn't the primary language and they offer higher payouts. Take any offer you fancy, like the iPhone 14 one, and make sure it's a mobile offer because we'll be targeting mobile traffic. Each completion of this offer will earn you a cool $1.71 on top of what you're making from the first method. Copy that affiliate link from CPA Grip, my friend. Now let's head over to ShortyEarn.com. This site pays you for views without requiring any sales or CPA commissions. Sign up for an account and log in. Your dashboard will show your total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Click on New Shortened Link and paste your CPA Grip affiliate link. Give it a simple alias, click on Shorten, and voila! You've got yourself a snazzy shortened URL. Now, this magical link will make you $10 every 15 minutes for traffic coming from the Netherlands. You can do the same for other countries too, if you're up for it. But wait, there's more! Before we move on, copy that shortened URL and visit publisher.linkvertise.com. Register for a free account, log in, and click on Create Link. Paste in the shortened URL from ShortyEarn. Add a catchy headline for the CPA offer and check the character count. Use Google Translate to fill in any necessary text to meet the requirements. Throw in an image of the product and you're good to go. Now every time someone clicks on your Linkvertise link, you'll get paid. Cha-ching! You'll also be making money on ShortyEarn and earning extra cash from CPA Grip. This method has the potential to bring in some serious dough. Oh, and here's a little bonus for you. If you want to make even more money, there's a video I recommend watching. It'll show you how to earn $3 every 90 seconds on YouTube just by watching videos. So if you're ready to turbocharge your earnings, go check it out. There you have it, an awesome way to make some easy money using Google Translate. Get out there and start counting those dollar bills. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!